Hey you guys, so we have been really eating a lot of chicken lately, but I am going to share with you 5 ways to mix up just some regular shredded chicken that I make in the crock pot. So for the last month or so, maybe about 6 weeks, we have been really doing a lot of shredded chicken in the crock pot and making all kinds of different things with it. So if you love chicken as much as we do and you want to mix up those flavors and have something different with your shredded chicken, this video is for you. I have 5 recipes. They're all so good. My family just we love shredded chicken, and I love how easy it is. So I can just make a big batch of shredded chicken in the crock pot and it is ready for a whole bunch of different meals. So I'm gonna show you 5 meals using shredded chicken. You're gonna love them all, so make sure you subscribe to my channel. Let's check them out. So making shredded chicken in the crock pot is so simple. I'm just going to use 2 chicken breasts and my favorite seasoning, so use whatever your basic favorite seasoning is. So I cooked this on low for 7 to 8 hours. It comes out so tender, it just falls apart. I'm going to use my chicken shredder that I got on Amazon and shred it up. It makes it so easy. But as you can see, it falls apart as it is already. So I did cook this on low for 7 to 8 hours. You can cook it on high for 3 to 4 hours if you would like, and it just comes out so great. This is so versatile. You can cook as much or as little as you want. I usually cook 2 to 3 chicken breasts at a time, depending on how many recipes I'm going to use it for. And you can change up your seasonings as well. I just do a basic seasoning so that I can jazz it up with all kinds of other ideas. So for this shredded chicken, I'm going to make a chili. Absolutely love chili. It is one of my favorite things. So I have a chili packet of seasoning, a ranch packet of seasoning. I'm going to add in a can of tomato sauce. And this is so hearty and I love it. I just make batches of chili all the time. I have a can of diced tomatoes as well. A can of corn drained, kidney beans washed and drained, Great Northern beans washed and drained, and lentils washed and drained. I'm going to use Better Than Bouillon to make some chicken broth, and I'm going to add in 1 cup of chicken broth. Give this a good stir to mix everything around. This is just so great, so full of protein and fiber also, so nice and healthy. Absolutely love this one, and it doesn't get any easier. I'm going to put the lid back on and warm it up for about 30 to 45 minutes. I'm going to make a chicken Cesar wrap. Love wraps, and I love chicken Cesar. So I have my keto burrito wrap, really, and I have my shredded chicken. So I just make big batches of this, like you know, and just add it into so many different things. It's ready to go all the time. Adding in some Parmesan cheese. I'll also add on some croutons and then my favorite dressing. But I just love having chicken ready to go so I can make wraps or salads very quick and easily. Have a nice healthy meal for lunch or dinner. Just really quick, ready to go. So I'm just going to kind of mix this around a bit. So use your favorite dressing. I love this Lighthouse Caesar dressing. It's my favorite. Gonna give this a wrap and contain all of this lettuce and chicken and cheese, and this is so good. It's a great light lunch, but I love wraps for dinner also, so it is just really, really yummy. Gonna give it a little cut in half. I'll show you what it looks like on the inside. It is just delicious, ready to go. I'm gonna do a chicken salad with a croissant. So I have my shredded chicken, I have dried cranberries, I have grapes that I've diced up a little bit. I have some mayonnaise. I'm going to use a tablespoon of mayonnaise, and I have some dill, and just season to taste for the dill. I just put a little dash. I'm going to give this a mix, and I love this combination. You can also add in some chopped walnuts if you'd like for this, but chicken salad is so good on croissants. We have just been really into croissants lately. My kids have been loving them. So I'm going to add this onto the center of the croissant. Delicious lunch or dinner. The weather's been warmer, so I love having a nice, light, cool lunch and dinner that's easy to do. I'm going to make a chicken quesadilla. So I use 2 different kinds of cheese, and I grate my own cheese as well. So I have cheddar cheese, and then I'm going to add in a layer of the shredded chicken. I'm going to add in some Monterey Jack cheese as well. So you can do your favorite cheeses. I love to mix it up with 2 different kinds. And I like to shred my own because it just melts a lot better and gets nice and melty and cheesy. I'm adding in some fire roasted salsa as well. So you can do your favorite salsa or you can leave the salsa out if you would like. And I am going to add a top onto this quesadilla and it'll be ready to go onto the stove. So I like to cook it on low for about 4 to 5 minutes per side. Cook it nice and low so it gets nice and melty. So give it a flip over, cook it another 5 minutes. I'm gonna cut this open. This is so delicious. You can customize this with your favorite cheeses. You can add some peppers in here as well to give it some more jazz. I'm going to be doing a chicken bacon ranch sandwich. I have my chicken, I have some shredded cheese, I have some diced up bacon, I have some ranch dressing. Anything with bacon is wonderful. Anything with ranch I'm a fan of also. So I'm gonna mix this around, combine these ingredients. And I have my bread. And this is a new bread I've been trying. It's 30 calories, it's 2 carbs per slice, so it is really good for you. You can get it on Amazon. I can put the link in the description box if you want to check it out, but really super healthy bread. You can toast it a little bit. It's really good in the morning with some jelly on it also. So awesome, awesome bread. So I'm just gonna put this chicken bacon ranch onto my toast and it's just a really easy salad ready to go. I just love it with this shredded chicken. It just is a really great way to use the chicken up. So I hope that you loved these 5 recipes using crockpot shredded chicken. We use it all the time and I love making new recipes with it and sharing them with you. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day.